for someone who is not a barista, for someone who loves coffee but has no clue how to make that frappuccino, latte, macchiato, none of that. I just seem to press a button and magic happens. My friend Sally came over for coffee. She actually texted me and said, "Hey, do you want to grab some coffee?" Okay, well, what kind of milk do you like?
I like any. I could do like
Regular oat milk and regular milk.
regular milk. I could do
Okay.
regular milk.
Cool. Oh yeah.
And you can see the water inside.
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna turn it on.
Yeah.
It is real fancy.
It's real fancy.
Look at yours. Like
All
it.
right.
I'm gonna take a video of that. Hold on.
Want to mess
Here's
up
mine.
the shot?
You like your coffee?
I absolutely.
Well, let's
love
see.
this.
You're gonna taste it still.
Here we go.
You put a little monk fruit.
Yeah.
Here, I'll take this.
Thank you. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good. It
Yeah?
tastes good. Yes.
Yay. There are fancier machines than this one. There's the DeLonghi that is like the top name in the espresso machine world. And this Philips actually has another tier up from this one. But we were looking at machines that were less than $1,000, and this one was around the $600 mark. The one I have is the Philips 3300 Latte Go. It has 6 different options that you can choose from. It has regular coffee, it has espresso, the cappuccino, latte, hot water, and iced coffee. And all of these options are wonderful and enough of what we need. Now, the 5400, I believe, has even more options. And like I said, it gets fancier. On the top, you can actually put in your coffee beans. I have a friend who does not drink caffeine, and so we end up putting her decaf coffee in this other little slot, and you can pretty much have any kind of coffee. I kind of went more in depth about the features of this coffee maker because that's not the purpose of the video. I love this machine for the joy that it brings. This video was really to show you how much I've been able to enjoy my mornings. I mean, I look forward to walking. I have a walking pad. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest you go watch it after this video. That's another thing that I'm incorporating into my life. Things that really make me feel good. So walking every single day. I've been doing 10,000 steps the last couple of days and I'm on a roll. So I might want to keep going. Things like the coffee maker that bring joy to me every single day. Those are the things that are now important to me. And as I am getting older and I'm, now my kids have both left the home. They're both, adult children. And I want to create amazing experiences for them to want to come home. My daughter just gave me the biggest compliment ever. She said, "Mom, my fiance and I have talked about this and how much we love coming to visit you guys because it feels like we're always on vacation." And I thought, oh gosh, yes, yes, score, score. I love that. I love that my 2 daughters love coming home and they love bringing friends over and everybody feels comfortable and happy and excited to be here. And that is worth so much more than I can put into words. I think that's what this little $600 espresso machine has done for a household. And what I say about this whole thing is, isn't it always about those moments that you get to spend, the quality time with your friends and your family, and the little moments that become the memorable moments of your life? And I've really been enjoying having these conversations with women, with my sister-in-law, with my friends, and with other women who really want to rediscover themselves during this midlife and empty nesting and time when we're going through a lot of transitions. I was talking to my friend and she was telling me that sometimes it's about the grace that we give ourselves during the waiting room. She called it the waiting room, the waiting moment, the time when you're kind of in that transition and you're thinking about what's really bothering me. Why do I feel this way? Why do I feel not enough? Why do I overthink things? What is my next step? And what does that look like? And when there's uncertainty of what that next step looks like, we gotta like connect as women and really reach out for each other and help each other get through that. Because that time is gonna pass and you're gonna figure it out. But sometimes you need a little help. And it is beautiful when women can come together and help each other out. And I really saw that today. I saw that with my friend Sally. I felt that in the conversations that we had that are powerful moments that a little coffee, beautiful coffee, can really bring. And I think that is where it's at. It's been in my heart, and I've been asking God to help me find the people that feel like, oh my gosh, yes, me. And if you feel compelled, like, yeah, me, I'm in transition, I really would like to connect with another woman and have a coffee time. So I'm actually inviting you to coffee time. I'm going to put a link below in the description, and all it's going to be for is coffee time. I'd love to have some coffee time with you. Even if you don't have fancy coffee, doesn't matter. It's not going to be about the coffee. I can't wait to connect. So that's my favorite appliance in my kitchen. I'm going to put the link below also to this particular model, the Philips 3300 Latte Go. I hope that I have inspired you to take a moment that maybe seems ordinary that could really become a special moment for you. It's like a happy face though to me. Like totally is like a face.
Literally.
It's a big nosed guy. There's a little resemblance here. Because remember, I always say, you can create bliss at home and in your life.